Question number 10. It says, refer to the double bar graph below, which shows the number of male and female athletes at a university over a 4-year period. Solve the problem. Well, solve the problems. So we had 2002 to 2005. Female is the black, males is the kind of grayish. Number of athletes. A. Which year had the greatest number of male athletes? What was the total number of male athletes that year? The answer is 2005. 2005 had the greatest number of male athletes, and that appears to be between 450 and 500. So we're probably going to say 475, but let's just make sure. Yep, 475. Okay. And for reference, I'm just going to mark that up here. Let's answer part B. Find the decrease in the number of female athletes from 2004 and 2005. What is the percent decrease? Okay, so let's see. In 2004, it appears to be 375 female students. So let's call that 375. And then for the year of 2005, there appears to be 325 female students. So the decrease was by 50. So to answer the first part, find the decrease. To find our decrease, we're going to subtract the value, the number of female students in 2004. Or rather, we're not going to even do it like that. Let's subtract the number of female students in 2005, which is 325. I'll put 2005 here. Minus the number of female athletes, I should say, in 2004. And that equals to negative 50, which means it decreased by 50 female athletes. Now, this next part that says, what is the percentage of the decrease? To find the percent of the decrease, this is going to equal to the 2004 amount, or rather, the 2005 amount, minus the 2004 amount, and that's going to be divided by the 2004 amount. So I ran out of room. We can go down here. So we already found the difference between a 2005 amount and a 2004 amount. That is going to be minus 50. So that's going to equal to negative 50 divided by the 2004 amount, which was 375. Let's divide that and get our decimal. It's going to be negative. So negative 50 divided by 375. Let's take three numbers after the decimal, negative 0.133. Or we can say that this is negative 13.3%, which means there's a 13.3% decrease. And that is the answer for 10B. Let's enter question C in the same regard. Find the increase in the number of male athletes from 2002 to 2003. What is the percent increase? To find the percent increase, INC, this will be equal to the 2003 number of male students minus the 2002 number of male students. The number of male students in 2002 appears to be 125. So let's put 125 here. And then in 2003, it appears to be 200. So let's subtract the 2003 amount of 200 with the 2002 amount of 125. And that equals to 75. Let me also box this one up here. So we could say that it increased by 75 male athletes. And that is the answer to 10C. To find the percent increase, I'm going to go down here since I don't need that much space for the next question, is going to be the same concept. The percent increase is going to be the 2003 amount. Make this bigger. There we go. The 2003 amount minus the 2002 amount divided by the 2002 amount. We already found the difference between the 2003 amount and the 2002 amount for our male students. Our difference is 75. So that's going to be 75 divided by our 2002 amount, which is 125. And this is going to equal to 0.6, which is 60%. A 60% increase. And that is the answer to 10C. Sorry if it's kind of smaller than the other ones. I just needed the more room. With that said, I guess I should give you guys the formula for percent change. Maybe you might remember this from Math 108. But the percent change formula equals to the new amount minus the original amount. Or I'll put the old amount in this case. Divided by the old amount. And we determine new amount and old amount by the year. So between 2004 and 2005, 2005 is the new amount, 2004 is the old amount. And then when we compare from 2002 to 2003, 2003 is the new amount, 2002 is the old amount, because let's be real, 2002 comes before 2003. So 2002 is older than 2003. All right. Let's answer part D. Which year had the same number of male and female athletes? That answer is pretty simple. That answer is going to be 2004. And we know it's 2004 because in 2004, both male and females athletes are at 375. Let's make this a little bit less thick. And then part E, a lot of parts to this question. In which year did the greatest difference between male and female students occur? Find the difference. The greatest difference. Well, let's fill in the rest of this. This is 200 right here. This is 300. The greatest difference occurs in 2005. And to find the difference, subtract the bigger value minus the smaller value. 475 female athletes, male athletes minus 325 female athletes equals 150 as the difference. And then to answer part F, how many students were involved in athletics in 2004? To determine that, we just add the values for male athletes and female athletes from the year 2004. There are 375 males plus 375 females equals to 750 athletes in total. And that is it to question number 10. All right, guys, hope this made sense. Hope you understood it. I'm going to revise this part a little bit so you can see it better. Take care.